Happy Thursday, everybody. It's 5:31 and me and my mom are headed to Burlington to look. I have to find Quint a birthday gift. His birthday is on Saturday. Trying to find him something. So y'all come with me. Duh. This is our second stop. Didn't find anything at the first stop. We are in the mall and the mall is empty. It is 6 o'clock though on a weekday, so I figured it would be empty, but there's like nobody here for you. Want to go to the shoe department? Like nobody in here. Barely. It's super quiet. So I'm gonna see if they got some like Georgia stuff in Belk. They should have something in Belk. I'm pretty sure they have something. So I'm gonna check them out. They're cute. Look who we're on FaceTime with. They saw me. And we got Taco. They so small. And they ain't even brought our fries yet. They haven't brought our fries yet. Tomorrow we'll bring the fries out. But I'm finna tell these two little tacos up. And I got a large fry. I know I'm being greedy, but I'm hungry. Back home now, y'all, and my nail came off this morning, so I am about to fix it. Look, I know my finger ashy. I'm about to fix it. Got all my stuff, and I got this little mini UV light. So cute. I'm probably gonna need it because this dries pretty fast. I want to fix my nail really quick, and then wait till it dries. And I'm doing my little night routine. So I will catch y'all tomorrow. It's finally Friday and I am here at Dollar Tree so that I can get some balloons so I can surprise Quint when he comes to my apartment later today. Because his birthday is tomorrow. And he'll be getting off work late. So I'm gonna surprise him. He doesn't like cake. I would have got him a cupcake or something, but he doesn't eat cake or cupcakes or anything like that. So that's what I'm here to do. And I know they got balloons. I'll probably get him a card. I might get him a card, write him a little message in there or something. But yes, and I just got off work. It is, I know it's like 5, let me see, 5:28. And then I'm headed to, I'm gonna try to go get my lip waxed as well at the nail salon, like down the street, and then I'm going to my mom's house. I really want to go to Academy because they have Georgia Bulldog stuff. Like I got him 2 shirts from Hibbits yesterday, but I kind of want to get him a Georgia shirt or something Georgia. So I might have to go to, I might go to Academy as well. He got some Nike, I got him 2 Nike shirts yesterday. But he loves Georgia, so I kind of want to get him something Georgia. And I didn't even think of Academy until like last night when I was at home, like in the bed. So I'll probably go there. I don't know. I'll see if I feel like going. But yes. And it's supposed to snow. We're supposed to get like 1 inch of snow. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to go out and do anything tomorrow because I have stuff planned. Quint's birthday. It's a lot happening. So I'll see if I'm able to go outside tomorrow. We'll see. I'm back. Hey y'all, so I did end up getting a birthday card. I didn't get any balloons. I just thought this was so cute. So I got this, and I'm probably gonna go to Dollar General to see if I can get like a Zaxby's gift card. He loves Zaxby's. He's gonna turn it to a Zaxby's. Yeah, so I got this Trident gum. Put that in my purse. These Haribo peaches. This candy company is the best. Like all their stuff is good. All of their products is good. I'm gonna eat this right now. I got some floss. Gotta keep floss on deck. I got my mom these Reese's cups, and I just had to get some toothpaste. So these are the peach. It just say peaches. I guess they hearts or something. Let me see. They're just little peach circles. Yeah. They're good. Now I'm gonna see if this nail shop open so I can get my lip wax. Sometimes they be closing early. When the doors say like 7 o'clock, it's 5:52. We're gonna pray, cross our fingers that they're open. Do my little 1-2. You know what? I might not even be able to go in there. I have to go to the bank because they don't take anything, like anything under $10. They don't take a card. Another stop. I'm going to the bank. I'm going to Dollar General. Then I'm going to Chris Mills. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I got it done. Luckily, it was like nobody in there because they, like I said, they do close at 7 o'clock. It's 6:05. I got there at exactly, well, I sat in the chair at 6 o'clock. Yay! I'm still trying to let my eyebrows grow out. I'll probably get those waxed for my birthday, but they look so thick. Like when I was a kid, that's how they look, just like when I was younger. This little tail is going back good. This one, it's a little, it's getting there. I'm putting that, I put oil on it like every night. Sometimes I do it if I do it in the morning, then I won't put any on at night. But if I do it at night, then I probably won't put any on in the morning. It just depends. I alternate sometimes. But yes, I was supposed to go to Dollar General before I came here, but it was too much going on. And I was like, when I was at the traffic light, I was like, dang, I was supposed to go to Dollar General before I came to come here. But I am about to go to Dollar General. See if they have this Zaxby's gift card. And then I'm going to my mom's house. So they do have it. So I'm about to get it. I've been all over the world today. Like, literally all over the world. And why does every time I come to Dollar General, they got these boxes everywhere? What be going on? So, I'm trying to get something like funny. Should I get him silly string? Like spray it on him when he come in there? He'll be scared as heck if I do that. Banners. I got a silly string. How much is this? $3.50. I'm gonna just do 25 on this and call it a day and set it up and get. Then we have birthday bags. That's what I need to check. Birthday bag, but I think my mom has a bag at her house. If not, I'm gonna just have to come back here and get a bag. Mission complete. We're on a mission. We gotta get Ace a new jacket, and Whitney's here. You can't see her. There she go. And we're gonna find some food.
What are people doing down there?
Where?
Because I am starving.
You starving?
Starving
I
like?
have a hat.
You starving like Marvin?
All I had was lunch.
What you had for lunch?
Cheesy bites.
Cheesy bites.
That's all good. So we're about to go find some food. We are in HomeGoods. I'm not gonna buy nothing. They got all kind of honey, All kind of snacks. Do I want to try anything? I don't know. Oh, we saw the, oh my gosh, they have them. But they were were they pretzels? The pretzel kind in the other vlog I had. These are, they don't have, they're just caramel. Where's the ones with the pretzels? They don't have those, I guess. It don't look like it. Because they were in a blue. They don't have them. I don't think. No. They don't. Unfortunately. They don't have them. They have like so much stuff. Like coffee, syrups, everything. Whitney came. Whitney, what you came to look for? You just came to look. Whitney just came to look. I don't have anything to buy. I'm just here looking. Are these not the cutest? And look at these. Like it's a heart. So cute. And these are bows. I love that. Love that. Love that. Guess what I'm about to get? Sea salt caramel pecan clusters, aka turtles. They're $6.99. It's a full bag, so I need to get out of this store because I'm looking at all the snacks and that's what I don't need because I'm hungry.
Kaya! Come out!
Tonight, Sam. Oh. We're going in the store. We're going to Ross. Whitney might have found her a pair of pants. She don't like the mom jeans.
Think that'd be long enough?
They look like it. Cargo pants. We got touchdown. Ace got. Oh, you got ranch. Yeah, I got ranch. Ace got cheese sticks. And we're at Target. People watching. And I got fruit punch. Can't go wrong with fruit punch. I should have mixed it. We ate our food and now we're going to the car wash.
Kill.
You don't care about what?
That I'm in the car wash.
TT.
Here we go.
No, I don't care. I'm in the car wash.
What? It look like Christmas. Look.
Why do this? It is not Christmas. It's been a Christmas.
Christmas been gone. So I got his gift together. Happy birthday. Got his card and shirts in there. So he'll see it as soon as he walks in. Am I gonna sing happy birthday? I probably will sing happy birthday. I didn't get balloons this year. I was gonna get some silly string, but I decided to not get that. That would have been a mess actually. So yeah, so hopefully he likes his gifts. He's very simple. So I just got him what he would like. So I feel like a mission is accomplished. Did a great job. I will see y'all when he comes because I'm going to try to record his reaction. Happy Saturday, you guys. It is freezing outside. When I say freezing, that's what I mean, freezing. My phone says it's 28 degrees outside. 28. Oh, I almost dropped it. And Quinn and I are headed to go get some food. Taking him to dinner for his birthday. It's 4:47. I gotta change my change out these clothes. I went to my mom's house with Ace. He wanted to come so bad, but he did not have the proper stuff to come outside. No. would have been freezing. Probably would have got sick or something. So he could not come with me and Quince. So we are going to go to dinner, and then he got cake. His work people, I got him cake. So, and it's from Publix, so you know it's good. So that's what we're about to do. I'm about to go change my clothes, and then we're gonna head out. I gotta get gas too. Who's gonna pump the gas? Not me. Even though it's his birthday, he's gonna pump it. So yes, I already know what I want. I don't look on the menu already. Like I haven't been to Cheddar's before.
The birthday boy.
Y'all, he can't act. I told her I want to eat cheddar for my birthday. She took me out to cheddar for my birthday.
So we're at Cheddar's. Got our croissants, our strawberry lemonade,
Sweet tea.
spinach dip is on the way. Birthday boy wanted spinach dip. I'm probably just gonna get chicken tenders and fries. What you gonna get? You said you want the buffalo.
Buffalo chicken wrap. Mike White style.
That is good though. That buffalo chicken wrap is good. So I'm probably gonna stick to the basics. Even though I had some pasta one time and it was good. But that's what we're getting. I'm ready to eat the spinach dip. Cause I was gonna get the trio sampler, but Quint got spinach dip. So now I don't want to get another spinach dip. I'm gonna eat some of his. And it's freezing outside. Like wind blowing, like might blow you over. That's how cold it is. So I ended up getting the burger and the loaded fries. Quint got buffalo chicken wrap. That looks so good. So I had to come get some gas. Quint's pumping my gas. You can see it right there. This wind is biting. My car. What? My car said it was 25 degrees out here. 25 degrees out here. It's 6:58. Headed back inside because it ain't nothing else to do out here. If somebody going to the club tonight.
Yes, for the flu. Pneumonia, the flu, everything that out there you can grab.
Man, cause ain't no way.
Hell no.
It's too cold.